Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will cover key phrases to avoid when negotiating a car purchase. Steering clear of certain expressions can greatly impact your buying experience. Using specific phrases may signal to the salesperson that you are uninformed or overly eager. This can lead to bad deals. Words such as 1. Admitting lack of knowledge. 2. Expressing emotional attachment to the car. 3. Showing urgency. 4. Discussing paying cash for the vehicle too early in the process. 5. Never discuss trade early in the discussion. 6. Showing loyalty to a dealership. 7. Not knowing the price of the car. 8. Never give signs that you are not prepared. 9. Never reveal your desired monthly payment. 10. Never ask vague questions. By being mindful of your language, you can keep a stronger stance during negotiations. Throughout this video, we will highlight the above phrases and explain how they undermine your bargaining power. We will also share tips to improve your car buying experience. Our goal is to help you navigate the complex world of car sales with confidence. By the end, you will be prepared to communicate effectively and avoid costly pitfalls. So, stay tuned as we explore these phrases and give you strategies to negotiate like a pro. You'll drive away not just with a new car, but also with satisfaction and confidence in your purchase. Admitting a lack of knowledge about cars can hurt you during negotiations. When you show uncertainty about vehicles, it signals vulnerability to salespeople. They may see this as a chance to take advantage of you. This can lead to bad terms, inflated prices, or extra features you don't need. Salespeople are trained to spot cues that show a buyer's expertise. If they see you are uninformed, they might exploit this to boost their profits. As a result, you could pay more than necessary or miss out on better options. To avoid this trap, do your research before going to a dealership. Learn about the types of cars you want, their market values, and common features. Knowing basic automotive terms will also help you ask informed questions and challenge misleading information. By equipping yourself with knowledge, you boost your confidence and strengthen your negotiating position. The more informed you are, the less likely you are to be taken advantage of. So, take time to learn about the car buying process. This will help you negotiate effectively and secure the best deal possible. Expressing emotional attachment to a vehicle, like saying, "This is my dream car," can weaken your negotiating power. Revealing how much you want a car signals emotional investment. Salespeople can exploit this during negotiations. They may use your enthusiasm to push for a higher price or add unnecessary costs. Keeping your emotions in check is key to a strong negotiating position. If you let feelings drive your decisions, you risk overlooking practical factors. Instead of focusing solely on the dream car, evaluate it based on features, reliability, and value. This helps you make informed choices and negotiate from strength. Remember, the goal is to secure a deal that fits your budget and needs, not to give in to excitement. By prioritizing practical considerations, you can navigate the buying process effectively. This ensures you make a smart investment, not an impulsive decision. Stay focused, and you'll be better equipped to drive away with a deal that meets your requirements. Showing urgency in car buying can hurt your negotiating power. When you say you need a car right away, dealers gain the upper hand. Salespeople love urgency because it pushes you to make quick choices. This often leads to worse deals. They might use your urgency to justify higher prices or pressure you into accepting offers that don't meet your needs. Instead, act as if you have plenty of time to decide. This mindset helps you stay in control during negotiations and lets you examine your options closely. By showing confidence and patience, you create a balanced dynamic with the salesperson. This makes it harder for them to take advantage of you. Also, looking around for better deals is key. By checking different dealerships and comparing offers, you gather information that boosts your negotiating power. This strategy not only helps you find the best price but also gives you the confidence to walk away from a deal that falls short. Remember, taking your time and being smart about your approach can lead to a more satisfying car buying experience. This way, you can secure a deal that fits your needs and budget. Many people think paying cash for a car always gets the best deal, but that's not always true. Cash buyers may feel they have an edge, but they often miss out on important incentives and rebates that dealerships offer to those who finance. Manufacturers often provide special financing rates or cashback offers that can lower the vehicle's overall cost, making financing a better option in some cases. Dealerships also gain from financing arrangements, as they receive commissions from lenders for loans. This means they might be more willing to negotiate on price for buyers who finance, leading to better deals for them. Therefore, potential buyers should negotiate smartly. Discuss the vehicle's price first before mentioning your payment method. This way, you can secure the best deal without payment choices affecting the negotiation. Once you've settled on a price, you can explore financing options or cash payments, ensuring you make an informed choice that maximizes your savings. By challenging the idea that cash is always king, you can navigate the car buying process better and find deals that fit your financial goals. Bringing up trade-in value too soon can lead to problems in the car buying process. When you mention your trade-in early, it distracts from negotiating the new vehicle's price. Salespeople may use your trade-in as leverage, shifting focus away from what you should be negotiating. This can lead to a worse deal, as the focus splits between two transactions instead of concentrating on the new car's cost. To avoid this, understand your trade-in value before negotiations. Research your vehicle's market value using online tools for a solid baseline. This knowledge helps you negotiate effectively and ensures you don't lose out on your trade-in. It's also important to prioritize negotiating the new car's price first. By getting the best price for the new vehicle, you can discuss the trade-in with a clearer perspective. This way, you handle both transactions independently and to your benefit. By using these strategies, you can navigate the car buying process better and maximize your savings. Showing loyalty to a dealership can hurt you in the car buying process. When you express your loyalty, you lower competition and weaken your negotiating power. Salespeople might see your loyalty as a sign that you won't shop around, allowing them to keep higher prices without competing offers. This can mean missing out on savings and better terms elsewhere. To counter this, suggest that you are exploring multiple dealerships. By indicating that you're considering several options, you create competition that works in your favor. This approach can push salespeople to offer better pricing and incentives to win your business. Keeping leverage in negotiations is key. The more options you present, the stronger your position becomes. Remember, dealerships want sales. They are likely to negotiate better if they think they're competing for you. By keeping your options open and avoiding declarations of loyalty, you can navigate the car buying process confidently and get the best deal possible. Ultimately, make informed choices that match your needs and budget, rather than being swayed by emotional ties to a specific dealership. Admitting negotiation weaknesses can hurt you in the car buying process, as it hands control to the dealer. When you show any doubts or vulnerabilities, like not knowing pricing or financing options, you signal to the salesperson that you might be an easy target. This can lead to the dealer taking advantage of you, possibly resulting in bad terms or high prices. To counter this, buyers should stay confident and assertive during negotiations. By projecting strength and knowledge, you create a balance that discourages the dealer from exploiting any weaknesses. Being prepared is also key for successful negotiations. Research the market value of your desired vehicle, understand financing options, and know your budget. This preparation empowers you and helps you avoid feeling intimidated or uncertain. The more informed you are, the stronger your negotiating position will be. Remember, the goal is to secure a deal that meets your needs without harming your finances. By staying assertive and well-informed, you can navigate the car buying process with greater ease and achieve a satisfactory outcome. Don't reveal your desired monthly payment during negotiations. This can lead to higher overall costs. Salespeople might extend the loan term or increase the interest rate to meet your monthly goal. Focus on the total car price instead. Know your budget before negotiating and prioritize the overall cost to avoid hidden costs and unfavorable financing terms. Knowing down payment expectations is key when buying a car. Understanding how much to put down can affect your financing options and overall costs. Buyers should research different financing options to make informed choices. Lenders may have different down payment requirements, so being aware can help avoid surprises in negotiations. Asking about down payments too soon can give dealers an advantage. When you share your down payment amount, salespeople may use it to influence the conversation, leading to worse terms for you. It's important to discuss down payments carefully. Having a clear budget is also crucial. Knowing your financial limits helps you set a reasonable down payment that fits your overall plan. This preparation boosts your negotiating power and prevents you from feeling pressured into a larger down payment. By understanding down payment expectations and staying within your budget, you can confidently navigate the car buying process. This approach helps you secure a deal that meets your needs while keeping your finances stable. Negotiating the best price takes a smart approach that empowers you as a buyer. One key strategy is to make reasonable offers backed by research. Before negotiations, check the market value of the vehicle you want. Look at factors like make, model, year, and condition. This knowledge helps you present a fair offer that reflects the car's true value. It also makes it easier for the dealer to engage in meaningful discussions. Avoid vague questions that limit your negotiation power. Instead of asking, "What can you do for me on this price?" ask specific questions like, "What discounts or incentives are available?" This way, you clarify your position and encourage the dealer to give detailed responses that aid negotiations. Throughout the process, being assertive and informed is key. Confidence in your research and budget lets you advocate for yourself effectively. This ensures you don't sell for less than you deserve. Remember, negotiations are a two-way street. Maintaining a firm but respectful stance can lead to a better outcome. This channel was created specifically for the purpose of bridging the knowledge gap between dealerships and ordinary consumers. Please like, share, subscribe, and see this next video.